Prevent missing out on 64% of inbound calls to small businesses that go unanswered daily. Having an automatic 24/7 missed call textback message is vital because it ensures that you never miss a potential lead or contact. The message can be customized to ask for more information and details or to book a meeting by adding an appointment link. This saves time and ensures that the lead or contact receives a prompt response, improving the chances of converting them into a customer. Once logged in, you will see various features and tools on the left sidebar. Let's start under your account settings. If you haven't already chosen your account's phone number, click the Phone Numbers tab to add your number. Starting under your business profile, you can customize your account branding, details, company information, address, time zone, and other settings. On the very bottom right of the screen, make sure to scroll if you need to. You will see the Missed Call Textback feature. That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.